Okay guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change wallpaper in laptop. So if you want to change your laptop wallpaper, either on Windows 10 or Windows 11, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to change wallpaper in laptop, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the start button, select settings. Now, on the laptop settings page, scroll down the left side, locate and click on personalization. Now, once you selected personalization, select background, where you see background image, color, and slideshow. Now, once you selected that, scroll down, locate personalize your background, and then select picture. Now, on the background page, you can choose the recent image you have here. To set the image as your Windows or laptop wallpaper, select any of the available images, and if you have photo there, you can also select the photo to set the photo as your wallpaper on your laptop. However, to set photo on your laptop as a wallpaper, click on browse photos. Then this is going to open the picture page on your PC, then navigate through where the image or photo you want to use. In this case, if it's in download, select download. Then check through download page to select the image you want to set as your wallpaper. So just search through and then go ahead and then select it. Click on choose picture. Then shows you the picture uploaded here. Now, if you minimize the background page, then should say the picture like this. Here, come to choose a fit for your desktop image. Click on this drop menu and then select fit. So this is going to make sure that the wallpaper is fit into your background on your desktop, and this is how it's going to look. So for each wallpaper you selected, they're going to see how it is on your Windows PC. And once you're good, you can now close this page, and that is it. So that's exactly how to change wallpaper in laptop. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.